To cut a stock hair system to a smaller size, you will need a mannequin head, your client's hair system, tailor's chalk pen, soft tape measure, scissors. Today we will cut this 8 inches by 10 inches hair system to a 6 inches by 8 inches one. To start, use a tape measure to get an accurate size. Mark the exact point to cut on each side. Note that whether to keep the front hairline varies in different customers. Draw lines along each sides. Adjust the line and draw to the back to get a nice U shape for the hair system. Cut along the line to get the rightly sized hair system for your clients. Trim off unwanted parts to get a smooth edge.